One of the things that's most common in business is completing meetings and workshops, especially if you're doing workshops and you have to bring people from different locations, you have to set up hotels and travel and the downtime for traveling. This all can become very cost prohibitive, and therefore the opportunity to collaborate and work and solve problems becomes less. One of the ways you can solve that is by using SharpCloud here, which is a visual communication tool supported by Smart's visual collaboration boards, to actually bring people together in a virtual world and yet still get that same experience of working and collaborating together. For example, I've put together a gap analysis here and show you how it might work. This happens to be on BS 11000, which is a collaboration framework. And what you quickly got here is the 8 stages and some statuses against how compliant you are with this particular gap analysis. And together online, you can be moving and assessing how things are working together. And just as I'm moving things with my finger, so people in different locations could be touching their smartboard or even on their PC be moving, and together you see real time how this is all working. And if we want to establish what we're completed at, we can look at each of these clauses individually, open them up, and as you'll see as I touch onto that, it opens and gives me more information about what the clause might be, what the status is, are we compliant, what evidence we should gather in all of this. So again, it's a very good way of saving costs, improving productivity, and working in a more visual collaborative way. So if you'd like to find out more, just please let us know, and we'd be happy to give you a free SharpCloud membership and also giving you a view of how smart technology can help save you time and money. Thank you.